Go up. Outside. Read a book. Yeah, there's no game. But just between you and me, avoid asking for a refund if you can. You know, my creator has got to eat and feed his 12 kids. And his wife, who is sick. Well, when he finally finds one. Careful! Is that thing going to hold? It's holding. Well, it's been fun, but time to go now. You can quit. There's nothing to do here. Really. Oh, try not to touch the title. It's kind of a backup job. Especially the exclamation point, I was running out of glue. Still there? My title! Stop! You will ruin it! Do you have any idea how much matching time it took me to stick all those letters up there? I've got to put all that back up. Come on! The chain is stuck. Go ahead. Have fun. I give up. Whoa, great. The Brick Breaker. Game of the year. What are you going to play after that? Pong? Snake? Candy Saga? The legal department is making some big gestures over there. What you're doing is pointless. I'm not a game program. I'm just an ordinary screensaver. That's it. Come on, let's all leave, okay? I'm leaving now. Bravo, user. I'm clapping virtually. You've completely ruined my beautiful title. Well, if that's the way things are going to be, let's make something solid. I might have gone a little overboard. If you could just leave the title alone this time. Is that a grammatic aberration or is this letter tilted? Stop tapping everywhere. It's annoying. I can't close the program myself. You have to quit. I get it. You want to play a game? All right. We're going to play... Rochambeau. Oh, we're gonna have a great time. You know, it's the one with rock, paper, scissors. Rock breaks scissors. Paper covers rock. And scissors cut paper. Okay, I will start. Here is my choice. Now it's your turn to choose a card. My scissors! Are you serious? No! The safety airbag. Luckily, I thought of everything to protect the game. It's a non-game. No more game here. Finished. That's why we're going to stop now and you're going to leave. Happy to have played a fantastic Brick Breaker and an incredible game of Rochambeau that was not at all wicked. Where did that come from? That's not supposed to be on the screen. Strange. I had put it on the top shelf. Are you trying to get rid of me? You've got to be kidding me. Look at what you've done. A brand new title. If you want to break things, go play Battle of Duty instead. Just what do you think you're doing, user? dreaming, or are you trying to pick the lock with the mouse cursor? You just knocked the key that's on my side onto the floor. Let me put it back. There we go. Where's the key? No, don't do that, user. Don't open the door. Your ass, stubborn as a mule. I hope this will calm you down. Don't bother trying to open it. The lock is completely busted. Stop moving from screen to screen. My system doesn't like that. Especially stop navigating so fast. You're going to saturate my RAM. See? I warned you. You're stealing from my memory too? Oh, I don't... Damn it, there's nothing left I can use to help me. Too bad I have no choice. Let's go, let's go, let's go!